Hello, welcome to how to install Windows 11 with a local account. You use a local account instead of using a Microsoft account. There are 3 ways to do it as follows. Method 1. You install to the step asking for a Microsoft account, then follow these steps. You open the command window. You use the key combination Shift F10. Then enter the following command. Username. Enter the username. Next, after a few more steps to complete the Windows 11 installation using a local account. There are 2 more ways. Method 2. You disconnect the Ethernet cable on your computer if any. Like the last time you opened the command window when asked for a Microsoft account. In the command window you delete the wireless network connection that has been connected. You skip this command if you have never connected to a wireless network. Next you use the above command. The computer automatically restarts and does not ask for a Microsoft account anymore. You set up a local account and complete the operating system installation. Method 3. Customize the bootable installer. I use a tool called Rufus to create the bootable installer. Browse the ISO file downloaded from the home page. This tool also helps you install on unsupported hardware. Skip the Microsoft account requirement. You can create a local account using this tool if you want. Okay. Make sure you are disconnected from the internet on the target computer. Here are 3 ways to install Windows 11 using a local account. Thanks for watching.